Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Cmusbdac system blue screen error on your Windows 10 computer. So this error seems to occur when you're using the blue snowball microphone and you're coming across this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is unplug your microphone from your computer, so just disconnect it. And then I will have a link in the description of the video to this website here, and there's going to be a file we're going to go download here where it says ASIO for all, and basically this is a driver that should hopefully get us back up and going. So go select whatever language is applicable to you. Most of you guys are going to select the English one, so go ahead and select that. A pretty small file. We're going to go ahead and run it. Once it's downloaded, select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It says the wizard will guide you through the installation of ASIO for all, and recommend that you close all their applications before starting setup. This will make it possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. Select the next. Agree to the license terms. Select next again. You don't have to change anything in here. Only need under 1 megabyte of space, so it's a pretty small download. Select install and then finish. Once you're done with that, you can delete this PDF file it creates on your desktop. You don't actually need it. I would recommend restarting your computer despite what it said in the setup wizard. And once your computer has restarted, I would recommend plugging back in your snowball microphone, and that should hopefully be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.